Okay, here we go. This right here is going to be a true unboxing. As you see, I'm over here. Come on, man. Okay, them bad boys right there, I love those. Them things are fire. When that sun hit that gold, it be, oh my God, people be, everywhere I go, they be looking down at my feet. Everywhere. But anyway, let's go back to these right here. Okay, there we go. There's one side gone. This is how it looks. You dig? I'll put the bullshit in there. Okay, so they're gonna Neiman. What's this? This is a kind of box of this. Looks like Neiman. Giuseppe box. Uh-oh. Okay. You dig? A little cloth, whatever, okay, whatever. Sneaks going there or something. You dig? I don't know. Anyway, I don't get for the box. Let's do it. Boom. Don't get mad. I'm black and gold all day, baby. Black and gold all day. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tough. How do you look at those things? Some things are tough. Oh, God. These are tough. Damn. Oh, I'm loving these. Yeah, I'm the black and gold king. God damn. I'm happy with those. Is that sweet? Oh, my God. The only problem is that these are a 10, these are 11, I'm a 10 and a half. So anybody who rocked the half sizes, if you watch my first video, you can go up or down the size. The only difference is 11 would be a little bit of space and the 10s would be a little tight. That is fire. God damn. Oh my God. Damn, this bike's bigger than I thought. Oh my God, oh my God, God. Oh my God. Damn. Oh, these are fire. Oh my God. These are the new season. These are the old season, but damn, the old season glowing better. Damn, man, I like the old season a little better. Oh my God. Those are fire. Let me try them on for you so you can see how they look when they're on the feet. Oh my God, these are fire. Hold on. Let me try to do something real fast because okay. Let me zip them down. My bad for the little camera, Swazi. But, I mean, what you mean to do? Shit hard as hell. Things smell good. Here we go. Let me put that foot in there. I'm rocking these right now. You know what I mean? 'Cause I got a little burgundy on. You dig? Oh, yeah, you know what I mean? You gotta have some socks. Yeah, so it's like it's a little space in here. Something I don't like. Some of y'all guys like to have like a little room, a little space. I like my sneakers kind of tight fit. You know what I mean? Oh, them spikes. Oh my God. Damn. Oh, that's fire. Yeah, it's like a little space. I'm definitely, see, if I walk with these things, look, they definitely, look at my feet. They definitely flopping off. See? So I definitely got to zip these bad boys up. You dig? Now I feel a lot better now. Oh my God, those are fire. But there you have it, man. You know what I mean? My second pair. Here we come. Peace.